So as you can see in the screen, this is the general syntax of any Java programming. That means whenever we will write any Java program, uh, we will always consider these 2-3 lines, which will always be there in any of the Java programs we will be discussing in those few videos ahead. So what are the lines? The first line is public class my first program, then within curly brace public static void main string args, then within curly brace, and then body of the program, where you will write actually the content of the program that you want to write. So this is all about the general structure of any Java programming. Every Java program generally consists of these lines, which contains a class. You can see it in the first line, that is public class my first program. That means that this particular Java program has a class named my first program. Please remember that any Java program always consists a class name, a particular class name, and in our case this is my first program. Now let's write our first program. So before we begin writing a first program, let me tell you about a statement, that is System.out.print statement. So what is this statement is all about? Well, it is a statement used in Java in order to display any message we want to appear in the computer screen. For instance, if we want to display the message hello Java, then this is how we can do it. System.out.print hello Java. So within the bracket, enclosing it with double quotes, we write hello Java, as you can see in the screen. Whatever we write within the double quotes, it will appear in the computer screen. So let me show you a program, sample program. Public class my first program, public static void main string args. Within the curly brace, we can write System.out.print hello Java. So when we execute this program, we will get an output something like hello Java. Cool. So we learned how to display a message in Java just now. Well, now let's add one more line after it, that is to display two messages one after the other. For instance, hello Java, my name is Smarak, as you can see in the screen. Two statements in two different lines. Okay, so how to do it? Yeah, you guessed it right. We just need to add one more display statement just below the first. It's that simple. Here it is. Public class my first program, public static void main string args, System.out.print hello Java, System.out.print my name is Smarak. It's that simple, right? So let us execute this program uh, in order to ensure that we have guessed it right. So whenever we execute this program, we get a message, we get an output something like this, hello Java, and without any space or any break-in statement, my name is Smarak. Both are adjoined. Oops, what was that? That's not expected. We wanted both the lines to be displayed in two different lines, right? But unexpectedly, they both got displayed in the same line. Why? Because Java cannot understand that if we write two System.out.print statement, then we need it to display the message in two different lines. Rather, it just prints the message given to it irrespective of the separate display statements. So in order to avoid this problem, we need to use the statement System.out.println. It is a statement in Java that breaks the current line after the message is displayed and skips its control to the next line, thereby displaying the further message in a new line. For instance, System.out.println hello. This statement will display the message hello and then breaks the current line and skips its control to a new line. System.out.print Java, as the control now lies in a new line, so Java will be displayed just below the hello message on the computer screen. Let's look at the program for better understanding. Public class my first program, public static void main string args, System.out.println. Please notice, in the previous program we wrote System.out.print hello Java, but in this program we have written System.out.println hello Java, which will break the line after the hello Java message is displayed on the screen. Then System.out.print my name is Smarak. Well, let us execute this program to uh, see what the output generates. Okay, so the output is hello Java. Then on the next line, my name is Smarak. Why? Because hello Java was written on a statement called System.out.println instead of System.out.print. And this is the only difference between System.out.print and System.out.println statement in Java. So, as the first display statement contains println, so the next message following it is displayed in the next line. That is, my name is Smarak. So, that's all about today. The main aim of today's video was to acknowledge you about the difference of System.out.print and System.out.println statement in Java, which are both the display statements in Java, which can be used in Java to display any messages we want to display in our computer screen. So this is the exercise I want you to practice as homework, so that you will be prepared, you will practice and you will be prepared about this display statement, so that on the next video we will learn something new including this display statement in Java. All the best. Thank you.